Hi, this is Johnny. I have a request that somebody's asking that, well, how do you get around with the Android? So what I did is I boot up without the SD card. Now, the reason I don't have a SD card because I'm still transferring a PlayStation to the slot 1, which is 1 terabyte. I also am doing a video, how do you able to get 1 terabyte of stock firmware? First you burn the 16 gigabyte and then you use a program called Magic Tool to make it to a 1 terabyte, and that video is coming up soon. So a quick video request is, how do you able to find the SD card? Now this one was giving me a problem because it didn't find it by itself. So I'm going to go ahead and use that one. So when it search, it said it didn't find the directory. So you're going to click on upper level 1. And what we're going to do is we're going to look for the word storage. So we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom till you see the word storage. And it doesn't seem to find it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go one more level. Sorry. We're going to go one more level back because we didn't see no storage. Okay. And then now you look for the word storage. Got mount, product, SD card, storage, 3 file. So we're going to click on storage, and there you will find the folder that need to take you to the SD card. So since I don't have a slot 1 in there, I don't have another one showing up. So I only show this one. So I'm going to click this one. It's my SD card, the 1 terabyte. Click it again. Okay, it tells me to wait because I click it too many times. Okay, let's wait for it. And I think it's taking a long time because it's loading up the whole SD card. There you go. And I think I might have did it too many times that it went too far. Let's see. There you go. Okay, if you press it too many times, you're gonna lose it. Then you're gonna think that it's not there. Okay. So this is the directory you need to go for FinalBurn, and then you just pick the one which is my. I think I do have some in FinalBurn, and you could also put it. You could also have it search the main, because some of the main in there. Did I put any FinalBurn? I think I might have. Okay, there's FinalBurn 85 game. You could also select main. So I'm going to select this one, and then in the future I could put more of that game here. So from now on, when you open it, it will save this folder. Now let's just say if you don't want it and you want to delete that setup, because I accidentally click on a file that I created where it doesn't boot up no more. Just keep on going. When you click on it, close, click on it, close. So if that happened to you, so let's go ahead and exit out this game. So let me show you again. If you open it up now, it will default to the ROM. Okay, so it recognizes the main, it recognizes the FinalBurn. Well, actually, this is inside the FinalBurn. See, it's right there, FBA Neo. So here's all the game that you could actually play for FinalBurn. So let's just start one real quick. Okay, let's just click the word run, because there's no pictures or anything, so it doesn't have anything. Okay. It's pretty loud. Alright, as you can see, it worked. So you just press I guess, star. Insert a coin. And start the game. Now, since I'm using one hand, I'm not going to be able to play this game very well. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and see if I get out this way or this way. Okay, this way. So this is the first time I'm playing this as well. I haven't. You could save it or you could close it. So let's close this. Oop. Which one did I press? I pressed A. Okay, A is to close it. And press B to get out. B to get out. And then access it. Okay. So you got that final burnout set up. Let's see if we could do another one. And now I don't have any game that support Dolphin, so you have to have GameCube game. I heard that it doesn't support GameCube game very well, so I guess we have to test that later on. And I don't have PlayStation because I just removed the PlayStation to put it on the other SD card. So let's see what else we have. Ooh. Oh, I just actually dragged the folder out. That's not what I want to do. Let's go and let's try Neo Geo. Okay. Now, Neo Geo, this is a different screen, so you're gonna click and select your location. You're gonna browse a folder. Sorry. Try to zoom in and make it darker so you can see. All right, so we have another different folder, and this folder is more point to the root of the directory. So what I'm looking for is a button to go further back out. Oh, it found the SD card. Okay, so that's what you're gonna do. What I did is I click on the top and then it gave me the SD card. So each one have its different way to get into the game. Interesting. Okay, that's why it's not very friendly use, and that's the reason that you guys are asking, how do you get around this here and get the game working? Alright, so I'm gonna go to the Neo Geo folder because it recognized my SD card is nothing but ROM folder. So I'm gonna go to Neo Geo. Let's see, where is my Neo Geo? It's alphabet order, I believe. Here's the M. Should be here pretty soon. There you go. There's the Neo Geo CD, and there's my Neo Geo. So I'm gonna click on Neo Geo. Alright, so here's my Neo Geo folder, and there's all my game. So that's the one I'm gonna pick. And what do I do? Okay, use this folder. So I'm gonna click down here, say allow. Alright, so now if I go down here, there's all the game. And you can just pick any game here. And there you go. So that's the Neo Geo. So each one is a little bit difficult to. The other one was you had to go back to the root. It give you a folder structure, like a file folder structure, and you can move back. This one did not give you the folder structure, but it allow you to select different media. So it recognized my SD card, which is cool. So that way I could select the SD card, and right away I could able to access the game. Alright, let's start insert the game. Press start. Alright. This version I have allow you to select different difficulty. Let's do easy. Let's take the bunch falling down. Alright, let's get out by pressing the F, and we're gonna scroll down, then close the game. Press A, yes, and then press B again, and we're out of the game. Okay. So that is the emulator one. So most of this emulator will ask you the same thing that look just like this. So you just have to say open content, okay. Okay, browse for folder, and then here you're gonna click the top. Then you pick the SD card, and then here there's the, which one we just picked? I don't remember what console game we just used. Let's get out. I forgot what game we was. Oh, Turbo 16. So go to open console, click one more time, and then go to browse for folder, and then click the top SD card. The reason I know that's SD card because it is labeled RG353 1TB. That's how I call it. So if you name it, you will able to know which one. And then we're gonna look for PC Engine, TurboGrafx, which is PC Engine. Alright, there's PC Engine. And then we're gonna say use this folder, allow, and there's all my PC Engine game. And my favorite game is, of course, Bonk 3. and there's bunk. Okay, let's get out of the game. Let's try another one. I just press B all the way out. Press A. Okay. Those are different emulator I don't have, and I don't know. I think this one is the Wii U emulator, and then this is streaming and it's Kodi. So I'm not going to show you Kodi because I go to the movie theater all the time. Got membership that I could see 3 movies every week for $20 per month, which is pretty cool deal. That is with the. So most of this is like that. The only one, maybe this one, is maybe a little bit different. Let's try that one. Okay, so this one is similar to the one that we have the search. Oh, this one is different as well. Okay. Refresh one. Okay, I just click on file picker, and I don't think this is the boot. We're gonna choose the top, and then we're gonna choose the SD card, 1 terabyte. Okay, so this one is a little bit different, but it's similar. And then we're gonna choose the Nintendo 64, which at the very bottom end. We'll pass it. Nintendo 64 right here, right on top. There you go. And then you just say use this folder. Allowed. Alright, so it's loading all my Nintendo 64 game. So that's pretty much it that I could show you. Now, if you guys want any particular, still having problem, please let me know which emulator you having problem. But if you have a problem with, like I was telling you about, if you went to a problem where you cannot, the program keep on closing, just I'm gonna wait till, well, it's gonna take a long time. You just have to go to the game itself and then tell it to clear the cache, and you gotta stop the game and click on the clear the tags. Alright, I'm gonna let this run. Yeah, I need to show you how to do that. Okay, let's go ahead and press B for now. Let's cancel this. I'll do that in a different time. See, it already grabbed some of the ROM already, but I want to go ahead and show you how to clear this. Okay, let's just say you have problem with the game. Okay, so what you want to do is you go ahead and click on it, and it gave you an option. Okay, it gave you an option, and it's called app information. Any one of them will give you the same thing. So you could click on that, or you could go to FinalBurn now, like the one I was having problem with FinalBurn now. Anything that you have, you could click on apps information. Okay, and then you could just delete it. So for example, I might as well do this one. You go to app information, and you want to stop the program. Okay, say okay. Once you stop the program, then you want to delete the other stuff. So the storage and cache. So click on that. All right, once you click that, you want to clear the cache and clear the storage, and you say OK. And what that does, it will delete every information you have. Like just say you point to a weird place or accidentally click on a file, which I did, and it just won't open. It just keep on open, close, and you realize you made a mistake. You want to fix it. This is how you fix it. Okay, so let's get out here. Okay, and let's go ahead and open the. You can open it from here, or you just close it out, and then just open the FinalBurn now again. And when you first open, it's going to say I can't find it. So you're gonna click OK. It's gonna search for it, and it's gonna come back with the same problem. We cannot find the ROM. And then we're gonna do the same thing again. Okay, this is the one is very difficult to find. It took me a double try to find this. So you go to upper level once, and then you do it one more time. Okay. So we're gonna click it one more time, upper level one more time, not 2 times, just 1 time. I mean, well, it is 2 times, but don't click it twice. Okay. And then go down, and then you should see the one called storage. And right there it says storage 3 file. Okay, click on that, and then you click on the SD card. Then after you click on the SD card, just click it once and wait. And once you click on the SD card, this one's going to take a long time to load. When you click on it, you will hear the click sound. And once that's finished, once it loads, you want to click FinalBurn. There you go. It took a long time. Almost tempted to click again because it was taking too long. All right, so we're going to take a FinalBurn out. There's FinalBurn out, 85, and that's it. And then once you finish, you just click B. There's no save or that's the folder you want. You just say B. So just click B, and then you just say exit out. And now, when you go back, it will remember where you left off. Application built of the older version Android may not work properly. Try to check for update. Okay. Well, don't have the option. This. Well, I could, but. And then we just try one of the Bunker Venture, and then play it on top. And that's pretty much it. And it will check the ROM and will start the game. And this is the arcade version of Bunk. So that's pretty much it. Alright, hopefully this helped, and thank you for watching. I will probably be installing some other game, like pinballs game and stuff, and I'll do that later on when I going back to sleep. I just woke up and decided to go ahead and do this video for y'all. Alright, talk to you later. Hopefully help. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. That will help my channel. Later on.